Hello kids, welcome to my channel Mummy Teacher Kids On. Today we are going to have fun learning about computer parts. Are you ready to explore and answer some easy questions? Let's start learning together. This part is called a... Guess it? Monitor. Very good. This is monitor. Now, this part is called a... Guess it? Yes, mouse. Very good. This is mouse. Next, this part is called a... Right. This is keyboard. Next, this part is called a... Guess it? Yes, you are right. This is hard disk. Kids, this part is called... Guess quickly. Very nice. This is RAM memory. Good. RAM memory. Now next part. This part is called a... Can you guess what is this? This is speakers. Wow, well done. Very nice, kids. Next, this part is called the... Think for a second. Wow, great guess. Motherboard. This is motherboard. Next, this part is called the... What do you think? Yes, excellent. Fan. This is fan. Hope you like it, kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mummy Teacher Kids On.